Hey guys, in this quick video I'm happy to share that I have passed Spring Certified Professional exam and I have received a certificate from VMware. Well, you can see this is the certification that I have received today. Yesterday itself I have given the exam and today I received this certificate and badge from the VMware. And you can see this is the standard certificate, and VMware basically made some changes in the 2022. So earlier the certificate contains the name like Spring Certified, but they have changed from Spring Certified to Application Modernization Develop, okay, in 2022. Well, basically VMware made this certification more standard in 2022. Okay, so if you can see, today itself I got this badge from the VMware. You can see here, issued by VMware. This badge was issued to Ramesh Padtare. Okay, and you can see the certification name here, Application Modernization Develop 2022, and you can see the description of this certification. Okay, so this certification validates the candidate's expertise with major features of Spring and Spring Boot, and the candidate is able to apply Spring's feature to quickly build and deliver production ready application. And in order to get this certification, you need to have these skills: actuator, AOP, auto configuration, REST, Spring Boot testing, Spring Professional framework, all these skills. Okay, and here is the criteria, and this is the exam. Alright, so this is the badge I have received from VMware saying that I have certified VMware Spring certification exam. Okay, you can see Spring and Spring Boot, and you can see my certificate in VMware account over here. So look at here, this is the application modernization name, and if I click on history, you can see Spring Professional. So this is the exam I have given and I have received a certificate today itself. Alright, and let me download the certificate and let me show you. And there we go. Okay, VMware Certified Professional Application Modernization Develop 2022 to Ramesh Padtare. Okay, so VMware made this certification more standard in 2022. Well, if you are planning for VMware Spring Certified Professional in 2022, then you can go ahead and start your preparation from this page. So this is the latest page. It contains all the latest information as per 2022 changes. You can see they have changed from Spring Certified to Application Modernization Develop, and you can see Spring and Spring Boot in this certification. Okay, and you can go ahead and schedule the exam, and the exam fee you can see $250, and you will get 90 minutes to complete 50 questions. Well, if you want, I can create a separate video regarding how you can prepare for the certification and what are the resources you can refer, all those stuff. Alright, so in this quick video I wanted to share with you that, like, I have passed this VMware Certified Professional for Spring and Spring Boot, and this is a very useful certification, guys, especially if you are a Java developer. Alright, and these are couple of changes, just note it out if you are preparing for this certification. Alright, and this batch is very useful. I just shared in a LinkedIn. Okay, so you can share your achievements in LinkedIn so that recruiters or HRs can view your achievements and they may call you for the interviews. Alright, so look at here, this certification looks good, right? Application Modernization Develop. VMware basically made these changes, even make this certification more standard in 2022. Alright guys, this is pretty much I wanted to share with you guys. If you want, I can create a separate video with all the information that required to prepare for the certification and what are the resources you can refer, all those stuff. Okay, so great.